Hello everyone, in this time I want to make a video about a great tool that is Edmodo. So for instance, Edmodo first is a social network, especially to design so that students and teachers we can change or can change informations, files and links in a secure environment. Yes, using this tool helps for the community to base in layer between a safer environment. Yes, also encouraging the participation of our students and possibly to starting virtual conversations where are the formulation of questions and basis of the communication, sharing ideas and a points of view or very to learn a topic. Yes, implementing these tools in class mean that there will be more um, interaction between the teachers and also between the student. Yes, students become more involved and focus on the reason on the prescribed topics in essential questions. Those can be for looking the understanding on the information that the teacher want to hear now. Yes. So, for instance, on the first key thing that have to keep in mind that is that have three types of profiles in the mode that is the teachers, the students, and all other is the parents. Yes. Mm, for create um uh, okay, look at here. So I want to taste here. Or create a module or custom account in Edmodo. Here I'm going to show you that I have that is for a student. Yes, but in the case of the teacher, the teacher have to create a profile like this. Yes, like this profile. It's not equal, but it's similar. Yes, but I have to complete this profile. You can upload a photo at the hours of the office. We can't talk about or tell something about himself or your students, parents, and colleagues. Yes. And the second step, the teacher have to create a class. All the small classes are great with connect your classroom and increase exchange participation or only a self in a private or closed environment. Yes. Mm, the teacher have to create a class in a column that is your model. In this case, I like here, yes, you see my classes in this conversation. So the teacher create the class like this, for instance, like that, the English conversation. So the teacher put the title of the English conversation. Both are freely welcome to message on our class, so we can see like, okay, we welcome to my class, this is English conversation. Yes, the teacher make some presentation about the class. Mm, we like students will see only can we see the message when they join the class. Yes. Mm, about for reasons of our students learning or have to create the student have to create like similar create assignments. We can put quizzes, um, to classes to travel of the students. We can personalize our learning experience. We can create a, a group between other students. Here, like this, we have this the calendar, so we can see which what have to do in a determined day. Yes, so we, for instance, we can look at you put here and say when is the time when start the event and when at what time when end this event. We can put some description of the event. Yes, so here we can put, for instance, for English class or the little that you want. Here you administrate the data if they want to do. Yes. Mm, here, for instance, we can in a student we can put we can see what kind is coming. So it says coming, and so first quiz, listening quiz. The for do is 9:27. Yes. So you put here and it says first week listening quiz debate September 21 and 27. Yes. This is the day they finish. Yes, this is the class, is this conversation. Yes. Here is the characteristics of the quiz. See 5 questions, 10 minutes. First check the following videos on the device and then perform this quiz. There are 5 questions and they believe on them 10 minutes. And there is the link. We can see some example that the teacher want to what I do. Yes, so when I put it here, so I can take the quiz and the or whatever I want to do in the data file. That is other. So we can, like in student, we can stay very attentive of what I have to do or what have the teachers say about our class. Yes, so that's very important and very useful. Now using this tool, you can design animations. We can design assignments. We can text on or about and also survey. Yes. This platform can be used in the classroom by attaching files with tasks for our students to do at home. Additionally, the students will be able to upload their files to Edmodo for the teachers for to rate them and publish the results. What means this? That I can do like for instance like this quiz. Yes, so the teacher um, have to rate them, and the teacher tell me what results I be for this quiz. Yes, so it's great for the students, also for the teachers. Edmo has a reversible campaign of motivating the students. Yes, to find the most solutions to do this. All of these or these tools of MOO, this increase the creative of the capacity. All of those involved, especially for the students. Yes, for the students is very very important this tool. Yes, is like very creative. We can like student we can stay very attentive of what want the teacher. So it's great. Yes. Now, imperative that the studies are very important of pedagogical strategy. Yes. Where didactic sequence with five we can find five class sessions, putting into practice the use of the technological tools with the corresponding and evaluation behavior. Yes, in addition to a feedback where student must draw, we can let student more draw conclusions about the contributions for this innovation. Yes. So that's all. So thanks for your attention.